This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh, that was a long day.
Susie, what about our movie night?
Well, Sammy, I'm already in bed and wearing my pajamas, so…
Are you saying that we're gonna have
a slumber party! But it defo must be special. Come on! Guys, a huge unboxing is waiting for us today! With 50 whole surprises!
Wow, 50? I wonder what there is! Soup, 50? That's a lot, right?
Enough for a fun slumber party! There's a game, a party area, and a storage inside!
A game? Let's play it!
First things first.
Fine.
Check out how many interesting things are hidden inside! Fantastic!
Sue, don't keep me waiting! Open it up!
Cool down, Sammy, I'm on it! Wow, check this out! Why do you think we need all these stickers? Oh, what a cute kitty! And a rainbow!
Don't know. Let me deal with all of that.
Well, okay, then let's see what's inside the box. Woo!
Ah, Susie, that was fun!
And that's not all. Let me pull out this tube. And hop! Ta-da! There's our party area.
Whoa! Dibs on that purple sleeping bag!
Wait, Sammy, that's not for you.
But what about the promised game?
Don't panic. Here's your long-awaited board game.
Aha! Let's see! I'm the quickest slime in the world, and I'll finish the game in a split second! Prepare the prize, Sue! Done! Where's my reward?
Sammy, it doesn't work this way. We need dice.
Man!
Where did he go? The instructions are right here. Those stickers will serve as game pieces to play and get our prizes.
Wow, I didn't know there's a dice in the set! I'll get it now! Whee! Where is this thing? Found it! Catch!
Thanks, Sammy. While I'll be making the dice, could you prepare the stickers so that I can explain the rules?
It's already done! Here!
Great! Let's place it at the start. Sammy, will you help me make the tent for our slumber party?
Sure! I'm on it!
How about the trial run? And we've got green. It's time to make a move. And… oop! Okay, we need two big… What's going on, Sammy?
Oopsie! Sorry, Sue, but there are so many packages!
I was saying that we can open two big boxes and two little ones.
Sue, you're so lucky to have me! I'm always ready to come to the rescue!
Uh-huh. Let's see what the first surprise is like. This is pizza, guys! And it looks so realistic! I could eat it right now!
Whoa, I like pizza! And you know, I already like this game!
Alright, let's peek into this cute box. I wonder what's inside. Wow! A sleeping bag! But why is it so small?
I think that's for me!
No, Sammy, it's not.
But,
Okay, we may open two more boxes. One big one and one little one.
I decided to help and already did that! Things inside were awesome!
But you know that you're not getting this cute comb or this funny travel mug, right?
At least it's my turn to roll!
Well done! We got orange this time. Get two new boxes.
Here they are, Sue!
It's been a while since we've used some magic. And wow! Would you look at these? We got a pink teddy bear, and this juice would go great with pizza. And now it's my turn again. And it's yellow this time. Let's move the game piece. Here we go!
Sue, check this out!
What is this, Sammy?
Oh, that's my new hairdo!
You're always one step ahead, my friend. I guess that's a tray for our munchies. And the next roll. Wow! We literally hit the jackpot. Check out how far we moved.
So many boxes! I'm so excited to see everything!
No way! It's a laptop and a phone!
Awesome! But mine are better!
Ugh, Sammy. It's time to open these unusual boxes to find out what they keep inside. Wow! This is a huge bowl of popcorn! Mmm, yummy!
Sue, open these too!
Let's see. You'll love this. Here's a whole plate of cookies and a delicious waffle in the shape of a star.
Oh, I love parties like that!
You bet! Check out this cute bear we've got! I really want to tickle his tummy. It's time to go big!
Yep! And how's that?
I'll show you.
Alright!
You two guys, watch closely. And we've got the last surprise to be opened. Any ideas what's inside?
What if it's the doll herself?
You're right! It's a little Stacy. I wonder what her real look is.
Wow, she's so silver! But we should finish the game.
You're right, Sammy. Guys, we're at the finish line. Whoosh! And our main prize is a Barbie doll.
I can't wait to meet her and her little sister.
Guys, stay tuned if you also want to know what's waiting for us next. Are you ready, guys? Ta-da! We've got 2 beautiful dolls.
Wow, Sue! Finally! We're gonna have such cool company for our slumber party.
Hurrah! But before we start our party, these girls need to take a bath. And little Stacy goes first. We're about to find out what her real look is. Wow! Sammy, check out how beautifully the water is colored. Mesmerizing! Now it's your turn, Barbie. Immersing begins. Glug, glug, glug. Here comes that magical effect again.
Susie, I'm fascinated. This set doesn't stop surprising me.
Check out these 2 beautiful blondes we got. Their colorful swimsuits are just lovely. Barbie here has a bright unicorn with a little secret. Let's do this and… it opened its eye! And these hearts here begin to smile.
Sue, it's time to dress them up! I think these pajama shorts will do just perfectly.
You're right, Sammy. Let's try them on right away.
Just be careful with them, Sue. Guys, do you like these shorts? Then subscribe to our channel!
Perfect fit. By the way, the pattern on the top repeats itself on the shorts. Little unicorns are cute, aren't they? Sammy, what are you doing?
Discussing fashion trends, duh! Just check out this hairdo!
Wow, you already fixed it?
Of course, I didn't waste my time!
She's got such unusual hair colors. Very interesting combination. Now let's complete the looks of our dolls with their footwear. Here comes the first cool pink boot, and the second one. This sweetie also wears cool sunglasses.
There! Sue, everything is ready! Let's bathe their pets!
And splash!
Sue, how much longer?
We're so excited!
Yeah, hurry up!
Here they are! We have 1 big dog and 2 little puppies. I think our party will be more fun with them.
Sue, don't you think we should feed the doggies?
You're right, Sammy. Here are your bones. Well, guys, are you ready for our slumber party? Let's see how it's going to be.
Sammy, where are you? Coming! I brought snacks.
Finally.
You could have helped, you know.
Don't be grumpy, Sammy. Of course I'll help. There, I put our lovely tent where we can watch movies.
Ma'am, would you like a piece of pizza?
I'll have one.
Coming right up. Here, please.
Oh, thanks.
All right, this juicy pizza is for you.
And this little girl asked for cookies.
Sue, where are the toys?
We have this big bear, a little pink one for you, Sammy, and a cat pillow.
Oh, and what if they feel cold? What will we do then?
All planned out. We have warm sleeping bags. This is for the big Barbie, and this one's for her little sister. We're ready! Let's get this party started! Guys, did you like it? Then subscribe to our channel not to miss new upcoming videos. Bye-bye!
See you!
It's not my fault.
A problem?
Yeah, a big problem. The Royal Post of Magic has made a mistake with the delivery and
I just don't understand how this could have happened. It could have been my fault.
So, instead of sending us a new ride for the Fairground Festival, we got a...
This! A colored red thing. No instructions or buttons to push or writing on it of any sort.
It doesn't look like a fairground ride. I wonder what it could be. Whatever it is, I bet it needs a cuddle.
Maybe it's a robot. Do you see any cables or a socket anywhere?
No, nothing at all.
I say it's a refrigerator with a nice bottle of milk inside. Let me just open it up with my trusty sword. That was my favorite trusty sword.
It's just big and empty. Positively useless.
maybe it's a very large music box.
I've got it! A giant toaster to make huge slices of toast!
Toast is of no use to our Fairground Festival. Now we won't have a single ride. Not one.
Well, I like toast.
I'm going to lodge a complaint with the post office. Truman, Sir Kitty Cat, remove that thing from my sight.
We can't have a fairground without a ride.
And I can't be a knight with a bent sword. I need a new one. A brand new sword!
It's like the box heard what you said. I'd like a new hair clip for my mane.
Whoa, love it. Wait, it's some kind of machine. It must be a
Gift machine!
gift machine.
I'm not convinced. A sword and a hair clip are not gifts in my book. Dear machine, prove yourself. I would like a new royal rug. Oh, it's the most beautiful rug I've ever seen.
My turn, my turn. I want a jug of glitter water.
Glitter water? There's no such thing.
Yes, there is. And it tastes delicious. Aw, this is amazing. I can't believe it. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
I would like a miniature train set, a red one. Your turn, Billy.
I'm not really sure what I want.
Take your time, princess. While you're thinking, I'll just make a quick request.
Excuse me, but it's my turn now.
No, it's not. You got your silly hair clip thingy.
Hey, no! I must have matching sofas to go with this rug and a chandelier.
Billy needs something first.
I think we should wish for something we really need. Hey!
The problem, pandas.
They took the machine!
It all happened so fast. Let's go after them.
It's okay. We already have plenty of presents.
But I didn't have a chance to order a crystal chandelier from Fluffyland.
No, but look at all these things. We don't need any. What could that be?
We're being attacked by cream puffs.
Get inside the safety.
Wait! There's Scorch! Scorch! Are you okay?
Princess Billy, I can't fly anymore. My wings are covered in cream. Oh, thank you, Countess. That's so kind.
Don't mention it.
Here.
I won't be needing that bag.
Hang on. First, the pandas steal our gift machine, and then it starts raining cream puffs.
I think it's coming from the Twin Princess's castle.
I can see our machine. It's them, all right. They're the ones attacking us.
We have to stop them. They'll use the gift machine to make our lives miserable. Look at poor Scorch.
I'll go. It's my job to protect Magicy.
No, it's too dangerous. I'm coming with you.
Me too.
Me too!
I wonder what dragons do when they can't fly anymore.
Oh, come inside and take a bath. But you're not to use more than one of the royal towels.
What an excellent way to get rid of old cream puffs. Although they still are delicious.
We'll send all of Magicy running away and rule the kingdom. Not before one more cream puff.
A gift machine machine in the wrong hands is a very dangerous thing.
Who knows what else they'll ask the machine to give them? Lady Fiona, please hurry.
They look sick. Oh, I ate too much.
So, how are we gonna get the machine back?
Go in there and tell them that they had no right to take something without our permission. Oh, I never want to see another cream puff again. Me too. Let's get rid of this dreadful machine, quick. It sounds like we won't even have to go and get it. Princess Marie, Princess Antoinette. Not now, Billy. We don't feel good. Give us back our machine. We wish we never took the machine in the first place.
Look out!
It's heading home! Oh, joy! Run, gift machine, run!
Thanks, Marie. Thanks, Antoinette. Good riddance. I'm gonna take a nap.
Come on, let's get back to the castle before they change their minds.
By the royal grounds of Magicy! Thank goodness, the machine is back!
How did you manage to get it away from the twin princesses? Well, actually,
Let's not dwell on details. It's back, and I have so many things to ask for.
Get in line, Countess. I have a sudden craving for milk and cookies.
Me first.
Hold on, it's Billy's turn. She hasn't asked for anything yet.
Princess, this thing is making everyone a little crazy.
Billy, what are you gonna ask for?
I beg of you, Princess, ask for a crystal chandelier from Fluffyland. Oh, we simply must have one.
For my gift, I would like, little machine, for you to disappear. What?
No! But this is madness!
Listen, everyone, nothing good ever came of this machine. No one even thought to ask for a new ride for the Fairground Festival. How could we have only thought about ourselves?
We have been terribly selfish, and now our festival is ruined.
Hang on, I might just have an idea.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh,
Look! We've got a whole jug of glitter water to drink.
and a fantastic train set!
And a beautiful royal rug.
No!
So we'll make our own Fairground Festival. This is even more fun than driving a carriage.
It's certainly faster.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. This is boring. We can't play together with our phones. That looks like so much fun! Can we dance with you too? Sure, come on!